Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. It is Friday morning, and we're going to call this High-End Friday. We got some really high-end jobs today for some high-end customers. We got a 2-story pool cage to do today. That's going to be first on the docket. Then we have a house and pool, and then I do believe I have 2 other jobs after that. So let's go ahead and get this day started and get after it. Good morning. It's Friday. It's High-End Friday. Got the gear here. Super Blast Pressure Washing is here to get her done. Got everything set up. What we're going to be doing is a 2-story pool cage, inside and out. And it looks like we're just going to be able to come in and downstream everything and get it knocked out fairly quickly. Let's go and have a look. You can see all the mold on the outside. Let's go in and have a look. She's not that bad. Gonna be easy peasy. And we got some old pavers. Alright. Then we're gonna be getting this upper done here. Looks like an easy job. And we'll go ahead and get started. Don here on High-End Friday. Here we are, we're all done. Place came out really nice. Pavers are nice, furniture's all cleaned up. Look at that. It's just a beauty. Didn't take very long. Whole back of the house, all the windows are clean. Everything came out sparkling clean once again. All right, that's one down. That's about an hour's worth of work. That wasn't too bad. Have a great day. We'll see you at the next job. Hey, Don here, back at it. Just took a little short break. Now we're on our way to Land O'Lakes on this High-End Friday. See you at the job. All right, Don here, Super Blast, High-End Friday. Let's take a look at this job. We're just gonna do a review before and after. I do the cement. I do this job every year. And I just picked up this job here. So we'll be doing this one next. Not today, but we'll put it on the schedule. Just got a little dinginess going on here. Basic dirt. Here's the pool cage, not bad. Needs a little cleaning up. Just gonna do that. Gonna make for a nice easy job here today. That's all they had out here to move. This little dingy up there. You see along that edge. It's just stuff like that. Accumulates over the year. It's just 1 year's dirt. Some stuff going on over here. Pretty clean. Not too bad. The pad stayed nice. Alright. Not much to look at. Super Blast pressure washing. Added hard on a high-end Friday. Alright, Don here. Another job done. Let's take a look. Didn't have to use any SH on the driveway. It came out nice. But I did put some on it after. So, just in case, right? Everything cleaned up really nice. Everything looks really good up there. Windows are nice and bright. Everything looks great. Yeah, buddy. House is about due for some paint. But it looks clean. Can go another year, I'm presuming. Now let's take a look at this pool cage in here. There you go, man. Came out really nice. Nice backyard. It's nice being on a preserve. I remember I was here last year and there's like 30 turkeys back here. It was towards the end of the day. Anyway, it's looking good, man. That ceiling in there came out nice and bright. Back of the house is all dirty. All clean now, huh? Always clean around the equipment. AC units. Boy, look how bright that is. If you do everything, you know, you get called back and you get word of mouth, you get referrals. And always do the gutter in the road. Clean that sewer cap over there, it looks great. All right. I'm Don Van Riper from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and it is High-End Friday. All right, Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Wrapping things up on High-End Friday, and it's only 1:27 in the afternoon. You gotta like it when you can go out and pump out over 700 bucks and be home on the way home by 1:24 on a Friday. Wow. You know, when you're doing pressure washing, you get days like this, and then you get low-end days where you just do some cement work, like a couple small driveways and a couple mobile homes or whatever. But you got to service everybody in this business, so you gotta. But any day's good, you know. If you're making money, it's a great day, right? All right, and like I say, get after it. Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Y'all have a good weekend. We are booked all day Saturday, and we have 2 jobs on Sunday morning as well. Taking care of regular customers so they have a wonderful, clean Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.